Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the concept and some problems based on inverse variation. In previous video, I have covered the direct variation. So let's start. So inverse variation. Already I given the definition and all things. So inverse variation, that means two variables are proportionally inversely. That means y equal proportional to 1 by x implies y equal to, in place of uh, proportional symbol, it can be replaced by 1 equal to and 1 constant k. 1 by x, where k is a constant of variation. Constant of variation. Okay. Implies, if we multiply here xy equal to k, that means in case of indirect variation, the product of the quantities or product of the variables remain same. Constant, that means remain same. Okay. And what is the thing? If value of y is increased, it implies value of x decrease. Conversely, if value of y is decreased, then value of x is increased. Okay. So these are the relation between the quantities, in which how to relate it to one variable to another. It is opposite to each other. If one variable is increased, then another is decreased. Okay. So this concept I have given in previous video also. So now I am going to solve some maths from exercise 10b. Okay, from exercise 10b. Okay. So what is the question? The question is one of the question is state the following relation between the given variable as an equation using k for the constant of variable. Volume volume of a gas at a fixed temperature varies as inversely as the pressure. So these are the very easy. V proportional to 1 by P, or V equal to K by P, or Vp equal to K. Vp equal to K. One number. Similarly, you can solve the all these sums uh, of of question number 1 and Roman 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, it is very easy. It is your tax. Let's come for two number also very easy. Two number question is fill in the blanks in the following tables by determining first whether x and y vary directly or inversely. So we need to fill the blank. First, we determine x and y varies directly or inversely. So in case of direct variation, ratio equal to constant, that means ratio are remains same, and in case of inverse variation, the product remains same. Okay. So roughly, if you calculate 3 into 11 and 6 into 22, then the value is not same, because 3 into 11 33, and 6 into 22 become 132. 132. Okay. So products are not same. So we find the ratio of these two. So if we find x by y or y by x, there is no problem. Y by x equal to 11 by 3. Here also 11 by 3. Because 22 by 6, that means it will cut by 2. So it become 11 by 3. So it is a case of direct variation. So y vary directly, vary ratio equal directly with x. Okay. Therefore ratio are equal. So if we compare, it is better here we give some variable a, b, c. So we need to find the value of a, b and c. So ratio equal, so 3 by 11, and this ratio a by 33. So 11 33 3 implies a equal to 9. For this similar way, 3 by 11, or you can take this ratio also, 3 by 11 come 3 by 11 or 11 by 3. If you write 11 by 3 then also correct. Then this ratio you write 33 by a. Okay, no problem, there is no problem. So 3 by 11 equal to 27 by b. That means you only follow the ratio. If of the first ratio you take x first, then uh, uh, for this ratio you first take the corresponding value of x. So x corresponding value of x is a. So a by 33 written here. If we written in this way, if we write in this way 11 by 3, they are here also 33 by a. So there is no problem, you take first x or y, but in both case it must be similar. So here 3 nines are, so 9 b value of b 99. Okay, similar 3 by 11 equal to c by 880. So 11 8 ja 80. Therefore, C equal to 3 8 ja 24 240. So this is the required values. Okay, another example, I will take the example C number example. C number example. What is the value? X by y. First value given 2 by 48. Second value 3 and blank. Fourth value 4 by 24. Blank 16. 8 and blank. Here also we first, if we find the product, so 2 into 48, 2 into 48, 96, 4 into 4, 24, 96. So here product remains same, but in case of ratio, y by x in first corresponding value of y by x is 24, and here y by x equal to 6. So ratios are not equal, but product are equal. So it is a case of inverse variation. Product 96, here also 96. So it is a case of inverse variation. Inverse variation. Variation. Or you can write x varies inversely with y vary inversely with x, or x varies inversely with y. Therefore product are equal. Here also we take a, b, c. So 2 into 48 equal to 3 into a. Therefore value of a equal to 2 into 48 by 3. So 316 ja implies a equal to 32. Similarly, from this value, if you take this product, then also 96, then there is no problem. You will take this product or this product. Okay, no problem. If you take this product, then also 96 will come. Answer will also same. So if you take these two product equal, then also your answer is correct. If you take this product and this product equal, okay, this corresponding product of x and y, and this corresponding product of x and y, then also your answer will be same. So 2 into 48 equal to b into 16 implies b equal to 2 into 48 by 16. So 16 3 ja value of b is 6. Okay, similarly you can find the value of c also.
very easy chapter.
So two numbers are three. Okay, three phone number. M is inversely proportional to N. So M proportional to N. So M equal to K by N, or M equal to Mn equal to K. The question is, if M equal to 0.02, 0.02, when N equal to 5. So using this value, 0.02 into 5 equal to K, implies K equal to 0.1. Okay, 5 to the 10, 0.1. Now we we will find the value of M if if N equal to 0.2. If N equal to 0.2, put 0.2. Therefore, so what is the value of N? 0.2, 0.2 into, or M into 0.2, Mn equal to K, 0.2 equal to K, and value of K is 0.1. So implies M equal to 0.1 by 0.2. So one place we move. So M equal to half, or 0.5. Okay, or 0.5. 1 by 2, that means 0.5. Similarly, you can solve the all maths from question number 3. Next, question number 4. Navin cycles to his school at an average speed 12 kilometer per hour. It takes 20 minutes to reach the school. He want he wants to reach his school in 15 hours. What should be his average speed? So phone number, speed, kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour, time taken, time taken in minute. Okay, so first 12 kilometer per hour, it will be in 20 minutes. If he wants to reach by 15 minutes, what is the average speed? This is the question. So so it is x, say. Okay, so since it is a problem of variation, so first we define the relation, in which relation x and y related. Okay, that means quantity, speed and time related. Okay, so first we find the relation. So if, or less, more speed, less time. Okay, if speed will increase, then need less time. So we can write in this way: less time. If time is less, then we need to uh, increase the speed, because the destination, distance between home and school is remain same. So if time, if we need to reach at its school by 15 minutes, then speed speed should be more. Previously speed 12 kilometer per hour and time taken 20 minutes. In place of 20 minutes, if we will uh, reach the school by 15 minutes, then speed should be more. So less time, more speed, more speed, speed. So it is a case of inverse variation. Inverse variation. Variation. So in case of inverse variation, products are equal. So first product 12 into 20 equal to x into 15 implies x equal to 12 into 20 by 15. So 4, 5, 4. So 16. So therefore, the required speed is 16 kilometer per hour. Okay, very easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all are same. Okay, all are same. I will solve 13 number now. 13 number, something is different, not different in the sense of uh, direct variation or indirect variation, but question is something different. 13 number. 13 number, what is the question? A hostel had ration for 60 days for 500 students. After 12 days, 300 more students join the hostel. How long will the remaining ration last? That means 60, 60 days ration. Okay, number of days 60 and number of students 500. And after 12 days, 300 more students join. So after 12 days, that means already 12 days gone. Okay. So after 12 days, 48 days left, and 48 days left for 500 students. So ration left for 48 days for 500 students. Now after 12 days, 300 more students join. So after 12 days, number of students is 800. Now the question is, if the number of students is 800, then how many days this ration list? Okay, or how many days? What is the question? How many long will the remaining lesson list? So remaining lesson last for 48 days. If 300 more students join, now it become 800, and how many days it is last? Okay, okay. So what is the question? Number of number of students and number of days. Okay. So what is the question? How many? How long will the remaining lesson list? Okay, list or last. So how many days? Remaining lesson. So first information 60 days for, okay, a hostel have ration for 60 500 students for 60 days. Okay, so we are talking about remaining rations. Okay, so after 12 days, so that means only for 48 days ration list for 500 students. So first information, number of students 500 and it is list for 48 days. Okay, okay, that means they have 48 days rations. Now the question is, if 300 more, if 300 more students join after 12 days, that means 40. Now they have 48 days ration. After 12 days, 300 more students join. That means number of students now become 800. Now the question is, for 800 students, how long the ration last? Okay, how many the ration list? So what is the time? We have to find the number of days. So here also first we define the relation between number of students and number of days. So if number of students become more, then the ration list for long days or more days or less days. Okay. So obviously, if student number of students become more, then same provisions list for less days, because first 500 student eating the rations and it leads for 48 days. If now these provisions or this ration eaten by 800 student, then it lists for less time. So more student, less time. So you can write in this way, more tens, less days. Okay. So it is a case of indirect variation. So it is a case of indirect inverse variation or indirect variation. Inverse variation, variation. So in case therefore inverse variation, that means products are equal. So 500 into 48 equal to 800. So here x, that means we let the value is x. So into x. So what is the value of x? 500 into 48 by 800. So 0 0 will cut. 8 6 are 48. So now 5 6 are 30. So answer is, the required number of days is 30 days. This. Okay. Very easy and all are similar. All are similar. So first you will try the solve the maths. If you have any problem, I will provide the solution. Okay. So tata for today.